Here we have the Squire WS75 container padlock, designed for use inside container lock boxes. It's got this black electrophoretic finish, which gives it great protection against the weather and against corrosion. It comes with a 6-pin key, or 6-pin cylinder should I say. Available on this standard S1 section, but it's also available on a patented key section, and we can also fit ever EPS restricted cylinders inside these locks. These locks are available master keyed, so if you have a large number of locks you can have individual keys that work each lock, but then also a master key that will open all of them. It's particularly useful for container hire sites, container sales companies and self-storage sites as well. You can have up to 1,000 locks under one master key. That can even extend if you're using different sections like the Ever EPS. Really good solution, competitor of the WS75 and WS66. Yeah, really good solid container lock.